of you like desserts? I know I do. For me, dessert is the best part of the meal. Also, whether it's sweet or creamy, dessert always brings fun and happiness to everybody. Sometimes it's just easier to go buy them at the store, but for me, cooking gives me a little time of peace and stress relief. Combining ingredients and exploring new flavors helps me relax while time flies. Today I will show you step by step on how to prepare a mosaic jello. It's a colorful yet delicious dessert that will show your creativity. Also, it is really easy to make and your guests are going to love it. First of all, we're going to start with the ingredients. We're going to need strawberry jello, grape jello, and lime jello. Also, we are going to need our pineapple jello. And remember, these choices are on you. I'm just using this ones for now, but you can get as much creativity as you want. These are your choice. You can play with the flavors. We're going to start by pouring our lime flavored jello into a container and pouring 1 cup of boiling water. We are going to mix this real well for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see that the jello is completely dissolved. We are going to let it cool down for a little bit, and then you can place it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. After your jello is done and chill and firm, you're going to get a plastic knife and cut down to all the edges of the jello, and then just turn up your container upside down so your jello will come out. Really easy. Now, this is where it gets all your creativity. You can cut any size, any shape of your jello. I'm going to use squares for mine, but this is where it gets your really creativity, where however you want to do it. You cut them down all, and you're going to use this same step for all the 3 flavors. Also, remember that our pineapple flavor, that's the one that we're going to use at last. So only do your 3 flavors at first. After that, we're going to place our little squares into a baking dish, any size. It depends on how much jello are you making. And then you can mix it a little bit, mix the colors. Remember, this is on your creativity. It's however you want to make it. After we have our little squares mixed and everything, put them aside. And now it's time to prepare our our pineapple jello. Oh, and one of the things that I forgot to mention in the ingredients was this. This is one of our main ingredients. It's called Nestlé Media Crema, which is table cream. You can find this at any grocery store where the baking section is. We are going to prepare our pineapple jello the same way we did all 3 jellos. We're gonna put it in a container, mix it well with 1 cup of boiling water, let it cool down for a little bit, for a couple of minutes, like around 5 to 10 minutes, until you see it's not really hot. Then you're gonna place it in the blender. After that, we are going to pour our media crema table cream with our pineapple jello. And we are going to mix it in the blender real well. After it's mixed, pour it on all your little squares. Careful. Try to get every little spot so you won't miss anything. And pour it all together. After this, you can mix it up a little bit, but try not too hard because remember it's jello and the pineapple jello was still a little hot. So it's gonna try to melt. Just mix it a little bit, mix some colors in it. And there you go. It's done. You can put this on the refrigerator and leave it there for about 2 hours, the same, and then it's gonna come out and it's gonna be perfect. So I hope that I showed you all my steps very well, and then I hope that you guys liked it and enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you so much, and thanks.